Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Kum shibinta ban kinti ka Khaïi ka pateng hapadeng kinong Shnong jongkari lum jaintia ba kinong Shnong jongkari Bangladesh ka senjuk ki Waheh Shnong ri jaintia kladawai ka sarkar ban Shnano ya kuwe kalan custom station ha East Jaintia Hills District but ka wepat ha ka Shnong Muktapur West Jaintia Hills District. Kasenjuk lapun sngau ye kani ka majing dawa ha umin rang ba ka zillau konrad ki sangma ha ka jing kendo ye u ha orchid in thalas kan ha ka puwaitrek ujemang arajar arpusan kani ka jing terwa jong kasenjuk klong namar ba karilum jaintia kani ka than ka bala kirkhu kerpang de ublei nong thau nong bo namar ba karilum jaintia kadin kerhai ki marpo khando ha ka ba ka sarkar jilla kala ka mai shibun sha da ka balum khajna da marpo khando bala shalan sha Bangladesh lingba ka dauki tamabil haga jok por ka sinjok lapen pauru ya ka jing sngo diaw halo ka jing penslam banlum ya ka khana samari bat pen pauru bagan ka jing penslam kan kata kala ya ki badok.
I also met the members of the Sinjuk Waheh Shnong Regentia, and they had mentioned about details and some issues in the MGNREGA work that can be taken up, for example, retaining walls and fencing. So they are requesting that those works should be allowed to be taken up under the MGNREGA scheme. We'll definitely examine this and see the possibility. They've also urged us to also look at the trade expansion in the border areas towards Bangladesh. Of course, the situation in Bangladesh is not proper right now for trade. But as and when it improves, at least the overall infrastructure, the manpower, and the facilities should be improved so that the trade can, expand in the future with Bangladesh and, of course, with the rest of the world. They have also requested for support in having the census to be started at the earliest, because we're still in the 2011 census. They also have requested that the amount for the PMAY be increased, which of course is a central government scheme, and they have also asked for manpower in terms of the different rescue and trained professionals to be able to help during different natural calamities. So therefore we are examining this aspect also. So all the points mentioned by them will be definitely examined in a positive manner.